Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a whirlybird for Primary Science 1. Hold your A5 sheet of paper in portrait, and I want you to fold from top to bottom and mark a crease in the middle of the page. So this is just a reference point. Then what you're going to do is you're going to fold lengthways and you're going to crease from the top down to that middle point. You're going to grab your scissors and then you're going to cut down to that midpoint. Now we've got the two wings of our whirlybird. So we can fold one wing one way and we can fold the other wing the other way. Okay, unfold them and make sure they're at the top of your whirlybird. Now grab your scissors, and what I want you to do is to guesstimate an inch, 2.54 centimeters, down from that midpoint. You're going to cut a third in from one way, you're going to cut a third in from the other way. Don't cut half and half, that won't end so well for you. Okay, so now that we've cut a third in from both sides, you fold both of those flaps into the middle, forming the lower T of the body. Okay, so now your whirlybird should look like this. It's nearly ready for flight. Grab your paper clip and attach it down the bottom. Okay, so follow the rest of the instructions from your tutor and have fun.